Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best white noise machines in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Let's begin with the LectroFan Evo. This LectroFan Evo is the new and improved white noise machine from Adaptive Sound Technologies. By design, like its previous model, it's compact and feels robust, and while many other sound machines have a cheap feel, this LectroFan Evo will provide a look and feel that's solid, without being large or bulky. Its speaker quality is remarkable for its relatively small size, and featuring a steady, relaxing sound of a fan, surf, or white, pink, or brown noise can help you get to sleep more quickly and stay asleep longer by helping you tune out the environmental noise that might otherwise wake you at night. It includes an auto-off timer feature too, which will let you choose up to 8 hours on a timer, or you can leave it on continuous play. And finally, for ports, it comes with a standard plug and USB connector so that you can plug it into the wall or any USB socket, while its light or LED screen would make this easier to set and check. Next is Marpac Yogasleep. This Yogasleep dome sound machine is an actual fan that provides soothing natural sounds. It is very easy to operate, and despite its small size, this white dome-like model includes 2 fan speeds and compact adjustable acoustic housing that surrounds a 2-speed electric motor with a unique asymmetrical fan. Its volumes can be turned on by a button, as you can push to select high or low, and using this same button will let you turn the machine on and off, or leaving it neutral can keep the machine turned off automatically. Featuring a 100% natural solution can get you the high-quality sleep you deserve, and using this white noise in your office, study, or classroom can also minimize outside distractions, which will let you focus on the task at hand, as sound machines are a low-cost way to ensure sensitive meetings are kept private in your office. Next is Sound+Sleep. The Sound+Sleep high-fidelity sleep sound machine is a fully customizable device with an incredible breadth of sound selection. By design, it isn't the most compact option on the market, but it's lightweight enough to be portable, and featuring a 3.5mm audio output, it will allow you to connect your own speaker pillow, portable speaker, or headphones and listen without disturbing your roommates. Offering 10 unique, non-looping sound programs, each with 3 different richness levels, this Sound+Sleep machine provides what Adaptive Technologies describes 30 rich and immersive non-repeating sound environments for better sleep, relaxation, and sound masking. And these sounds include a fan, white noise, brook, city, fireplace, meadow, meditation, ocean, rain, and train. In addition to these, it also offers some extra features like a built-in microphone to listen to your environment and dynamically adjust the volume based on ambient noise levels, an optional sleep timer that can gently reduce the volume after 30, 60, 90, or 120 minutes to allow you to drift off to sleep, as well as a front panel lighting that can automatically dim for distraction-free rest. Next is Hatch Baby Rest. This Hatch Baby Rest is a multifunctional and easy-to-use device that you can control from your phone. It combines nightlight, sound machine, and time to rise alert all in one device, and being able to connect to your smartphone will allow you to coordinate your entire family's sleep schedule via phone, like combining a nightlight, soothing sound machine, and time to rise phone alert. And in addition to that, you can also customize color, brightness, sound, and volume level along with that. Considering your babies, it will provide a soft light and white noise for midnight newborn feeding sessions, the comfort of nightlight for a preschooler, as well as a time to rise setting for your older child, along with which it also includes a toddler lock feature and stays cool throughout the night for safety. You can control the light and sounds remotely with a tap of your phone and set automated times for them to turn on. And its light and sound combinations are also customizable and can be selected by sleep experts, making it easy to use. Next is HoMedics. This HoMedics sleep sound machine is a small and lightweight white noise machine that can easily fit into your purse, bag, or suitcase. Featuring 6 digital recorded sounds like white noise, thunder, ocean, rain, summer night, and brook, it can simulate a natural environment for providing the most relaxing experience possible. And along with that, it also adds a rhythmic nature noise for your infant's sleep routine to help them fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It can play sounds continuously, or you can choose from 3 auto-off timer options like 15, 30, or 60 minutes. And utilizing its AC adapter, you can plug it into a wall outlet, or it can use 4 AA batteries to operate. Lastly, we have the Hatch Restore. This Hatch Restore is much more than just a sound machine and an alarm clock. It's one of the first all-in-one devices that includes a built-in reading light, meditation guidance, and even a sunrise to guide users to a more vital sleep experience. It can be fully customized and easily integrated into your bedtime routine. And with use, it can also help you regulate natural sleep-wake cycles, reducing trouble falling asleep and waking up. Starting from sound, it offers many soothing sounds, white noise, and a large variety of meditations, breathing techniques, body scans, and sleep affirmations that can implement into your ritual to fall asleep. And along with that, it also works great as a reading lamp, as its light options are endless, which includes nighttime shades, warm oranges, soft relaxing pastels, and splendid hues for a refreshing natural waking process. In addition to improving your sleep, this Hatch Restore can also simulate a sunrise for a gentler wake-up experience, which is an added benefit in maintaining healthy circadian rhythm. By design, it is only 7.5 inches long and comes in a sleek half-moon shaped design, resembling a very natural sunrise and sunset without eye-straining blue hues. So, in all, this Hatch Restore has got everything you need to naturally fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling refreshed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.